Work's been crazy. Oh, work's been crazy. Crazy how? Conversations shouldn't be difficult. And if your conversations don't flow naturally, people won't want to talk to you. Follow up questions are an easy way to keep the conversation flowing and keep the other person engaged. So, here are 30 follow up questions that you can use in real conversations that will keep the conversation moving forward and make people want to continue talking to you. How so? How so? Like what? Like what? Since when? Since when? With who? With who? Why is that? Why is that? Says who? Says who? According to who? According to who? Compared to what? Compared to what? Over what? Over what? In what way? In what way? And then? And then? For what? For what? What's causing it? What's taking most of your energy? Is this new or ongoing? Weird how? What threw it off? What changed suddenly? Is it pressure or workload? What's the main stress point? Is this temporary? What's pushing you towards that? What's holding you back? What would need to change? What's draining you the most? Is it mental or physical? What's wearing you down? What's the bigger picture? What's actually at stake? What's the long-term impact? What's the core issue? What keeps repeating? What's not being said? Where's the bottleneck? What's the constraint? What's the trade-off? What boundary got crossed? What outcome are you looking for? What needs to shift? If your conversations die in English, it's not your vocabulary, it's your follow-ups. Master these so your practice becomes real conversation and you'll boost up your English.